Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change profile picture on Snapchat. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to open the Snapchat. As you can see, I have my camera on Snapchat, and basically if we go to our profile, we won't find an option to change our profile picture, but we can go to the camera back and just simply take a photo or upload the existing photo from our gallery, clicking on this button next to the camera. But I will just take a photo right here. So for example, I want to be this my profile picture, and if I want to make this photo my profile picture, all I have to do is to simply post this picture to my story. So basically, I need to click here in the bottom side of the screen on the story button. And as you can see, now I have updated profile picture in the top left corner. And if I go to my profile right now, I can see that I have a story, and basically this story disappears after 24 hours. So you need to update your profile picture by uploading a new story every 24 hours to update your profile picture. And this is basically the only way of how you can upload your profile picture on Snapchat. So actually this is it. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.